that felt like I won the lottery. Can you feel that breeze?
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So on today's episode, we're just going to show you some of the things that we've been getting up to. At the moment, the island is going through a weather front or a tropical depression, or cold front, whichever of those terminologies you use where you are at. And so we're inundated with downpour of showers intermittently throughout the day in certain parts of the country. And definitely where we are at, we are having quite a bit of rain spells, which is welcomed, although sometimes it can feel as though it's holding you hostage. But otherwise, it's a good thing to have. The plants need it. We need the cooling down for the country as well. So it is good that that's what's happening at the moment. So as a result, we're having to look at different things that we're doing. So we're just going to show you some of that in this video. Eliona is checking out her culinary skills, and we'll show you how she got on with that and see how impressive or her delicacy that she decided to make was. We're also looking at finding ways to keep ourselves engaged and entertained, as we aren't able to go outside as much as we would want to with the rains. And you know how Jamaicans are with rain. So that's something to take note of and figure out how we traverse that whole situation at the moment. So we've gone back to resorting to techtainment for a little bit and just exploring that to see how we get on with keeping ourselves active and enjoying our space whilst we are still having to hunker down indoors for some of the days. But most things are going as they should. So school is doing fine and everything like that. So we'll see how it goes. One of the things I realized today is that there is some sort of taxi protest that's going on. I'm not quite sure how that's going to impact on the taxi service that's going to be provided in our area, but it's things like this, along with the lots of rain that has made it a little bit tricky for us to organize ourselves in terms of going out, that makes it such an important aspect of life in Jamaica, just the same as it was a key aspect of life in Milton Keynes, which is to have a car so that you can get around to the places you want to get around to, and so that things like this won't prohibit your movement. So for example, when it's raining on and off like that, you just want to get out of your house, jump in your vehicle and go where you're going, and then you can drive and get there. You don't have to worry about having to go and stand and wait for taxi, how long you're going to wait for the taxi, and then worry about how you're going to get back home. And so now, compounding that rain spells that we're having with a taxi protest for today, I'm not so sure how that's going to impact our plans as we go out in the afternoon and trying to get back home. I'm hoping that it's not going to be tricky to get that done, but we'll see how that gets on. I'll keep you posted with how that transpires for us when we get back in the afternoon.
So, in today's home activity, we're going to be playing charades, and there's 13 different levels. So, one is Act It Out, Animals, Art, Autumn, Brands, Countries.
Let me see.
Act It Out, Animals, Art, Autumn, Brands, Countries, Movies, Music, Remix, Sports, and Summer.
Okay. So who gets to choose which category?
Well, since you're done first, you can choose the category that you have to guess.
So the category I want to choose is brands.
Okay.
Brands. Hopefully I can get brands. I think I should have chosen some, but I'm going to go with brands.
Okay, that's fine. So it says, guess the brand on the card. Ask your friends or family for tips, but don't let them rhyme. Use act outs for a bigger challenge. You ready? you put it on your head, place the phone on your head, and you just so it passes up. So if you want to pass it because you don't know it, you tilt it up. And then if you got it correct, then you tilt it down.
Okay.
Ready? 3,
Yeah,
2,
I'm ready.
1. You step on it and it really hurts, and it's made of plastic.
Crocs.
No. You step on it, it hurts, and it's made of plastic. Wait,
Pause.
it says Kirk. Anyway, it's a bank something, and you use a bank card as that, and it like part of the word is something you can eat, like a chocolate.
Egg.
No, it's like a
Cheese.
cuboid chocolate.
Block.
Get out, just go. Wait, it keeps it. Okay, so it's something you drive. Bruno might said it in a song. Wait, you don't know.
Car.
No, it's a type of car and it starts with C.
Chevrolet.
No.
Cadillac.
Yes.
A Cadillac.
Okay, I said.
Ah! Time out! Time to get one right?
Yeah.
Oh my
But
goodness.
you accidentally pushed it up.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, it said you got Cadillac wrong, but you got it right now. Oh, I think
I was
tilted
going
it
the wrong way. Okay.
So up is correct and down is fast.
Okay. That's fine.
Okay,
Was
so-
that one Lego you said?
Yeah, Lego, Barclays. I was going to say chocolate bar, and then I was going to.
Oh,
like,
Barclays.
face
It's a
or something
bank.
like
Oh
that.
my gosh, I should have gotten that.
And that's his contact because wait, you don't listen to Bruno Mars, but you know the part where he says jump in the contact.
I didn't actually know.
Oh, okay.
So your turn?
Yeah, I'm going to choose actor talent.
Okay. So who's going to act it out? Like really? Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Love.
Start with C.
Care.
People do it when they say they're in love. Sometimes it does start have care, but it have some more stuff
Caring.
after.
Careful.
Mm-mm.
Cared.
Caressing. Move. Next one.
Walking.
No, like children do it behind their parents, and chickens do it behind the mother hen.
Walk
And
up.
I tell you to stop doing it to me lots of time.
Walk up.
What am I doing? So this is the mother and this is the child going.
Follow.
They're doing it.
Oh.
When you jump into the deep end, that can happen to you if you don't know how to
Drown.
swim. No.
Sink.
Yes. But it was in. But it's fine. We'll let you have it. So
Oh.
you got 2?
I got 2, but I didn't get to push it up in time.
Okay.
I woke up and immediately thought of pizza, so I decided to make breakfast pizza bites. In this mixture I have here, I put baking powder, salt, and all-purpose flour, and I just mix it out. I'm now going to add water, so I'm going to roll out my dough so it can make small bites that I can put in my air fryer, so then I can enjoy it, and I'll show you the toppings when I'm done. So I'm going to just show you how I roll this one. So I'm just going to make sure it has flour on both sides so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. You roll it long ways. So you roll it vertically. My mother taught me well. The edges aren't going to be much of a problem because I'm going to fill my crust with cheese. I might roll these out more, but I'll come back to you when I'm filling the crusts. I'm just going to show how I put the cheese in the crust. So I went and grated some cheese. I like cheddar cheese, so I grated some cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you want to use. You just put the cheese like this with some at the edges so you can wrap it around. You don't use too much because you're going to put some cheese on it as well. So I'm just going to put it all the way around. Then you're going to take up the edge. You're going to push it forward, kind of like if you're wrapping a burrito. And then you press it down. Now that it's even, I'm just going to make it more in the shape I want, like a circle. And now I'm going to put my toppings on. My first topping I'm going to put on is tomato sauce. And I'm just going to spread it around with a spoon. Next I'm going to put some sweet corn. Next I'm going to put the best pizza topping on this earth, pineapple. I just left the pineapple to marinate in some pineapple juice. And yes, pineapple does belong on pizza. Lastly, I'm going to put some cheese on top. And I'm going to finish the rest and put it in the air fryer. I put my pizza in the air fryer and I'm just going to turn this to about 190 degrees Celsius, and then for the timer I'm going to put it up to 8 minutes or 7, and then come and check back on it. This is what it looks like. It's looking delicious, but I'm going to air fry the rest and then I'll see you back for the taste test. I have my mom with me here to test the pizza. Are you ready to take a slice?
You actually cut them up into slices.
Yeah, I want it to look more like a pizza.
Okay, I'm going to take this piece. Okay. I like the fact that the crust is thin. It tastes nice.
Yay.
You have cheese pockets. It's good. I like it. Eliona experimenting again this morning. She decides she's going to make pizza, mini pizza.
Look at the cheese.
Wow, that looks really good and yummy.
It's hot though.
Anyways, me did tell her I don't want none. Hey, but now that we see them, me change my mind and me I go get some. Look at that pull. Cheese pockets. Woo! I cannot wait to tuck in. Oh my goodness. Mamma mia. Papa John's. You've got nothing on this now. Huh?
You got some competition.
I tell you. Eliona, you need to open up some windows in the place. Woo! Ah, that felt like I won the lottery. Did you feel that breeze? Yes.
So, it's our activity time and we're playing hangman.
Well, we were playing and we're going to be on this round now and we thought we'd share it with you.
So the first round was random words and now we're going to do random objects in the room. Or like things.
Okay, so go ahead with yours. This one is something in the room?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to start with A.
So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an 8-letter word and it's in the room. What did you say first?
A.
Now the head is hanging.
E.
There's 2 E's.
Okay, and I.
The face has been drawn.
M.
No.
K.
No.
Wow. I'm going. Did I say O?
There's 1 O.
K.
You already guessed
O. L.
There's no L.
This is getting close. Okay.
Oh, the hand dance was leaving. No.
N.
There's 1 N.
Still have no clue what it is. Okay.
If you guys noticed it so far, it's dash O-N
So short.
dash E dash S-E. If you think you figured it out, put it in the comment section down below.
Because I really want to know.
And if you get it right, the first person who gets it right will get a shout out.
Definitely. C.
There's a C at the very front.
Is it Converse?
How did you know?
Because at this point I'm like, it must be your shoes. Because at first I thought it was house shoes.
I don't
but
even
it
know if it's a
didn't
C or
work.
an S there.
I think it
I think
is.
it's S, but
It's
that's
S.
why I have it.
So Converse. So my turn.
So the word is Converse. So if you got this, then congrats.
Here's the eraser. And let me see if I'm going to get it.
Let's remember it has to be something in here. I guess it could be one of us. But it can't be like a word that describes us. It has to be our names. It could be like white shirt or like, I don't know, white sock.
Okay, so that's mine. 7 letters.
it's
And
in
2
this
words.
one. 2? Oh, okay. So
And
it's
it is
4 is the
definitely
first
in the-
one and 3 is the second one?
Yep. So.
A.
No.
We both
So
guessed A and
the
we get it
head.
wrong first. E.
Okay.
It's in this room, right?
Yep.
I.
No. 1 arm. We're getting there. What else?
O.
We're here. So we've got 3 more letters.
C.
If you think you know what it is, tell us in the comments below and you'll get a shout out.
The C in there.
C, no.
Okay. B. Yep. It's done.
How can it be book stand? It's a blank E-T. Oh my goodness.
Blank. Oh! It's blanket. Wait, I don't have any blankets.
It's book though. Book.
Oh!
Come, you can get some more letters because you know L doesn't work. So you have the feet now before you. So you have 2 more guesses. So think which word could that be that goes with book other than let. So we know it's not
Met.
book. You're just
Set.
getting stuff now.
Set. Book set. Oh!
Because you have
I was just saying, but
the
set, met,
the book set.
Set, shit.
That's
Oh,
there.
that's a thing that I can think of.
Yeah, the book set is
I
there.
was
So.
going to say A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I,
Then you would have just gone to the hand.
But it would have been too fast for you to realize that I
Uh-huh.
got it wrong.
Okay. Well, that's that then. So next round. There you go.
Okay.
It's so good to be back home. This nice cool breeze cooling my body down from all that sweat, the midday sweat. Even though we have the cold front and it's supposed to be cooler and it's a lot more windy, but it's still a bit hot, isn't it? Still in the high 20s, so it's still hot temperatures. So how did you get to school this morning? Was it difficult or?
No.
So you managed to get there fine? Okay.
I
So
didn't
the
know there
taxi.
was any taxi strike until I reached that school.
Okay. Because I was thinking, oh my goodness.
Well, the normal taxi driver I take to come from the town up
to the school.
Mm-hmm.
I think he was striking because I didn't see him.
Okay. So did you have to walk to school, or were there
I walked
taxis
to the
take?
actual taxi stand to go.
Okay. And then you were able to get a taxi from there to go to school?
I got it quick.
Okay, that's good then. Because the school had also sent home to say about it and said they would update us, and I think they did update us about
I think
it.
they let most people off early.
They did an earlier dismissal today.
Because I left the classroom and I was wondering where everyone was, and basically it was like a ghost town. I think we were the only form left at the school.
Really, it felt like that?
Or at
Okay.
least on our block.
Okay, because when I was coming, there wasn't
There
not
wasn't
any
anyone
student.
out there.
Yeah.
Except the market sellers at the side.
And maybe they allowed people who needed to go further places to go home, and who wanted to go home earlier. Maybe they started dismissing them from after 1 then, probably. But that's okay. It worked out for us that you were there, because otherwise it wouldn't have, or scheduled pickup wouldn't have gone how it went. But it was also good to see that we were able to get taxi to come home with the shopping and everything, because that was really worrying for me. But we now found a new way of getting home by taxi, which is really good, because now we know that this is a way that we can get home each time. So how was your day today then?
My day was survivable.
Okay. So given that it was the type of day, was this class size smaller today, or it wasn't affected really?
Most people took bus
Okay, that's fine.
or walk.
Well, that's okay then. So you've got a project that you're going to work on, because I cannot wait to see what the outcome of it is. Are you excited about it?
I think so.
Okay.
I hope it can dry for tomorrow.
Me too. And it would be good to see what it looks like, because you've done things similar to that before, just with different types of material. So hopefully it will turn out just as good or better. And we'll make sure to show what it is that your project was and what you did. Do you think that would you be okay to share it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we look forward to seeing it then. Alright then. You're going to go do it now?
Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.